Stronger technical forecast for Meta Platforms, Incorporated stock price after Wednesday trading. The Meta Platforms, Incorporated stock price gained 1.25% on the last trading day, Wednesday, 2nd of February 2022, rising from $319 to $323, and has now gained 6 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the stock fluctuated 3.51% from a day low at $316.87 to a day high of $328. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.07% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 28 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 45 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $14.65 billion. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -6.53% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $273.62 and $314.75 at the end of this 3-month period. Do note that if the stock price manages to stay at current levels or higher, our prediction target will start to change positively over the next few days as the conditions for the current predictions will be broken. Signals forecast. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, January 26, 2022, and so far it has risen 9.63%. Further rises indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Meta Platforms, Incorporated stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average at the same time. However, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $326.16. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $306.63. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The stock had a golden star signal on Tuesday, February 9, 2021 in the long-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Support, risk, stop loss. Meta Platforms, Incorporated find support from accumulated volume at $310.60, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $11.13 between high and low, or 3.51%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.26%. Since the Meta Platforms, Incorporated has been rising for 6 days in a row, the risk over the next couple of days has increased. As we cannot be certain with regards to the size of the reaction, we urge caution. Our recommended stop loss, $309.69, minus 4.12%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 5 days ago. Is Meta Platforms, Incorporated stock a buy? Meta Platforms, Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate. In this position, whilst awaiting further development, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold, accumulate candidate. Current score, 0.251. Insiders are negative, selling more shares than they are buying in Meta Platforms, Incorporated. In the last 100 trades there were 203.04 thousand shares bought and 322.65 thousand shares sold. The last trade was done 9 days ago by Newstas Jennifer, who sold 125 shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Predicted opening price for Meta Platforms, Incorporated of Thursday, February 3, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price February 3, 2022, $322.62. Thanks for watching.